that, Joe. All about this and that. Tell you, man, nothing matters, man. Whatever you do, don't let your mommy know. Don't let your cousin know. Don't let anybody in your fucking family know, man. Tell you, man. Love your family. You better. You better love your family. Family's life. Yeah, for real. For sure. Life's a dog. Penis hanging out. Yeah.